a superhero. Superhero. Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the. Can I be your superhero?
Hello guys, this is Dhruva from Dhruva's Power YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make superhero landing VFX video inside your mobile phone using KineMaster Pro. If you want to make such videos, then don't skip any part of this video, and all the infos related to the videos are in the description below. You can have a look after watching my full video. Let's get started. Now guys, open KineMaster and select 16:9 ratio. Now go to media and select your original video. I have selected my original video. Now you have to take a screenshot of this first clip. Now go media and select this screenshot, or you can also take a photo of this place. Now when you jump, pause the video, click the original video footage and go cutter and split it, play it. Okay. Now you have to delete this clip. Guys, let's take a preview of this clip. Now you have to decrease the sound of the video clip. Now go layer, select media, and you have to download a green screen ground crack video. I will give the link in the description. Now go split screen and select off option. Okay. Select green screen and you have to go chroma key. Make this enable. Now you have to add a filter in the green screen. Select green screen and go color filter, go basic, and you have to select a black and white color filter. I have selected it. Now make this long. Now drag it, and when you jump on the ground, you have to adjust your green screen. Okay, let's take a preview of this clip. Now you have to cut the unnecessary part of this video. Go cutter and trim to right of blade. If you want to edit effect, Then you can download more effect from here. I have downloaded some effects, so I am going to apply it. Okay, let's cut the unnecessary part of this effect. Go trim and try to play it. Okay, now you can also add effect in this clip. Go layer, effect. Now select any effect according to your video clip. I have selected vintage. Let's add it. Adjust it. Okay. Now go to the vintage effect and you have to add here some animations. So I have selected flicker. You can select any other animations. Okay, let's take a preview of this clip. If you want to add music, go audio and select any audios from your file. I have selected this. So you have to cut unnecessary part of this music audio. Go trim and trim to right of play it. Okay. Let's preview of this video clip.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Our video is already prepared. So if you want to save it, go share option and export it. Guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell icon. And please do consider like if you like this and share among your friends. That's it. Thank you so much.